I saw this on the TikTok shop and I got it because it was super cute. I love the little patches and the embroidery on it. What I didn't expect for it to be such nice quality. Have you ever sometimes gotten something and it looks cute, but you're expecting it to be this little flimsy thing? That's what I thought. And this is not that. It's super heavy. The material is nice. It's soft. This is high quality. I am impressed. And I absolutely love the look of this. Look how stinking cute it is. So it comes in a lot of different colors. If you like this kind of cheeky, like cutesy kind of look, definitely grab this up. I got it in a 2X. I'm normally a size 14, 16, 205 pounds. Girls are 38 double Ds. So this is the fit and it fits perfectly. I could even go down a size or two maybe if I wanted it to be more tailored, but I love this kind of loose fit. So I'm going to put it right there. Of course, everything that we love is limited in stock. So if you see your size and the color that you want, definitely grab it up. This is the red and I absolutely love it.